Hey guys, this is Dinosaur Drawer, and this is part 3 of how to draw the spinosaurus swimming. And yeah, my mobile phone got too hot again, so it stopped recording, and it's just because of the hot weather, I guess, that it keeps doing stuff like that. So I don't remember what I was doing, but one thing I do know, and that is we have to get well, this should be a little bit darker. This should be just a tiny bit darker. And then you can just go back to your casual scale kind of pattern. Just a few everywhere. And then over here you should draw a line that goes like this. Don't press down too hard, just a little bit. And one that goes like this. And then just draw those skulls in again. I'm also just putting in some lines already, and this part is also supposed to be really dark. And just continue on putting them in. And now we're gonna start focusing a little bit on the fingers. So what you want to do on the fingers is just draw these lines very dark. That will give quite a cool effect to it. His elbow is supposed to be over here. Also a little bit of shadow in his elbow. Alright, it looks kind of okay. Now this one, just do exactly the same, but make everything a little darker. Just a tiny little darker than on this one. That should be fine. Now we want to get the same kind of muscle structure going on his leg. And we also want to draw in his knee over here. Just the same casual kind of knee. And you can draw some lines into it. Again, just get this line going. One line should be over here, and there should be one line over here. This line should be connected to that line over here, and then there's supposed to be a line here. This muscle goes all the way down until about over there. And there's a little bit of shadow behind this line, and over here is supposed to be a lot of shadow, and one line over here behind that line is supposed to be a lot of shadows as well. And that should be it for now. So now just do exactly the same. Get some scales very close to each other. And over here as well. Something that looks kind of like that. Something like that, and do the same over here. Alright. Maybe get some wrinkles over here as well. And then just do the same over here. And put in some lines. A little bit of shadow over there. Bit of detail in the foot. And you should draw a little bit, a few lines over here. And then what we did on the hand, do the same on the foot. Yeah, something like this. It's starting to look great. Now you want a lot of shadow over here. And make these, well, you can't really make these wrinkles a little bit better visible, so don't do that. That's a mistake on my part. You could make that line a little bit darker. And maybe this line as well. Don't make it too dark, just a little bit darker. Make these wrinkles a little bit better. And this line also. Alright. Now get this foot done, and again just make it a little bit darker than the foreground. And the only thing that we still have to do right now is his head. So you might want to draw some lines going up till this strange thing. And a few scales above his eye. And something like this. Make this line a little bit darker as well so you can see it a little better. So I'm just drawing in the really dark spaces, the really dark spots. So later on it's gonna be a bit more better visible. And now what we could do is draw some lines in between the teeth. Maybe they don't really even have to be in between the teeth, but make some lines and do the same thing on the bottom jaw. This gives it kind of like the Jurassic Park kind of feel. A little bit of shadow on his jaw. And then just put in those those scales everywhere. And make the nose a little bit darker as well. And I would really love to see how your drawing turned out if you're really drawing along with me. So if you want to show me your drawing, just ask me about it in the comments below, and maybe you could add me on Google Plus so I can take a look at your drawings. And now get this part a little darker as well with just some lines that will make it look a little bit more scarier. And draw a little bit of texture around it. Alright, and now we want to get this section done as well. Alright, and now we want to get the the nails on his foot and hands a little bit darker. Oh, that's right. And also, I want to do a shout out to Chris Christensen. He has some great videos. He's a really good artist. He's way better than I am. So yeah, if you like different kind of art styles and different kind of drawings and stuff, drawing different kind of things, you should check out his channel and maybe even subscribe. And he also has some very good dinosaur drawings. He has like a really realistic T-Rex, and he also did a video on how to draw the indoraptor, which also is pretty good. So check out his channel. Feel free to subscribe to him and stuff. And he's a really good artist. So he really deserves that all the help he can get, because everyone wants to grow on YouTube, right? Alright, and we're almost about done. So yeah, I believe this drawing turned out to be, it turned out to look pretty good actually. I didn't really expect it to look this good, but that's always when I'm using a pen. The drawings turn out to look much better than the sketches, I believe, because this is the sketch again, and this is also a pretty good sketch. I like the hand a little bit better over here, and maybe the shape of the body is a little bit thinner and a little bit of a longer neck. But next to that, I do believe this is also a pretty nice drawing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you actually learned something from the tutorial. And so if you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below what you think about this drawing. So this was Dinosaur Drawer, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.